red hair tragedy. Is that how it works? Hey y'all, hey, it's Queen Beauty here and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about my hair. As you can see, and from the clips and videos I will be inputting into this, I dyed my hair. And I actually have my hair out, period. Like, that ain't me. Like, that's not something I be doing. So I got it out for you guys today. And I've had it out for probably about a couple days. So basically in this video, I am going to dye my hair, style it, wear twists for like 2 days in my head, and have a mental breakdown. And other than that, you know, that's about it. So y'all gonna be on this journey with me, see all this happen and stuff. So before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And without further ado, let's just get right into this video. Okay, so I don't have any Vaseline grease, so I was like, let me just use some regular grease and put it around because, you know, I don't know. That's just what I'm going to do. And mind you, for real, if, I don't know, like, my hair is super hard at the front, so I don't know if this is gonna work. And I don't think I can put water on it. I don't know. I've dyed my hair before, but I didn't do a good job. So does that mean I really dyed my hair? Like, you know? And it was crazy because I just recently got my hair dyed. Probably about a couple weeks ago. And the dude was laughing at me because I was like, oh yeah, I'm going to dye my own hair, and I was just gonna put it in some ponytails and, like, you know, dye it. But he supposedly dyed my hair, and do y'all see color? Cause I don't, and he was a professional. So I know if he couldn't get it to work, how am I gonna get it to work? Is my hair gonna look just like this? Is it gonna look like this? So I'm just gonna comb this out. It's really hard from the Got To Be glue that I had on it for this past week. I don't even know what to do. So this is the box of hair dye that I got. It is one and only Argan Oil Hair Color, Perfect Intensity, Vibrant Color, Semi-Permanent. Actually, you can see a little color on my hair. And it is ammonia free, no developer needed, lasts 6 to 8 washes, and it is the color Pure Magenta. So I opened the box because it had some instructions on the inside, but I'm not gonna listen to them because it told me to pre-line my hair, and I'm not doing that. So yeah, so we're about to get into this. Yeah, let's see. What should I do? I don't even know. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm gonna part it and section it off. Would it be dumb if I did a really tight ponytail and I only did the ends? Like, literally just this end? Is that stupid? I don't know. Y'all are finna hate me. Watching this video back, y'all are gonna be like, she is a psycho. But you know what? It's okay. So let me put my gloves on and I'm about to get started. Okay. It looks really cranberry. That's how you know the difference between the ones that's saturated and not. Cause this ain't saturated. This curling up, saturated. Now that I think about it, this is a fall color. And I'm about to go into summer with this fall behind color on my head.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they...
Okay, so as y'all can see, I did not do my edges or like the inside of my hair because I'm a crazy person. But we're gonna leave this on for about an hour. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it on for about an hour. Let this episode of Game of Thrones finish out. And yeah. Okay, you guys, I am back. And yeah, my hair is shrunk up. I am about to wash it out. I was coming back to tell you guys what I was going to wash it out with. Also, somebody comment down below, how can I get hair dye off of a white sink counter? Yeah, let me know ASAP. Before my mom goes off on me. I can't even send her this video because she'll know. But anyways, so what I'm going to use to wash my hair is the Moisture Miracle African Pride Honey and Coconut Oil Nourish and Shine shampoo. This right here. And it also has the conditioner with it. So it's sulfate free and color safe. That's what both of them say. So yeah, I'm trying these two. And also I have the moisture, the same thing, which is the Moroccan Clay and Shea Butter Detox and Soften Heat Activated Mask. So I'm gonna also deep condition my hair, and by the time I do all that, I'm going to come back to you guys. Oh, it looks pretty red. This side look a little darker than this side. Why this don't look done, I don't know. We'll see. I'll get some pictures tomorrow, but right now the hair, like it ain't mine. It feels so freaking soft. I'm about to use some leave-in conditioner from African Pride. Oh my gosh, I use them a lot. They need to sponsor me. Now I'm gonna go into the Main Choice Sealing Cream. More moisture. I'm just adding it all over my head. Like I said, because you need moisture when you just dye your hair. So now that I added all the moisture, let's get to styling it. It's not gonna be perfect because I don't care that much. But just gonna make sure everything is combed through. Probably look like I'm doing it so hard, but it's okay. My hair is fine. I'm not too bad it. I wonder. I missed all this right here, y'all. All this right here is dark. Okay, so now I am going to style my hair, and I'm going to be using two products. I'm going to be using the Curl Enhancing Smoothie from Shea Moisture and the Eco Styler, the Black Castor Oil one. So yesterday, I was in my bed sleeping my life away, and then my father called me and was like, hey, let's go get some food. Are you hungry? You know, I don't have a job. You know, I don't have any money. So if he taking me out to eat, I am going. I don't care what time it is. And it wasn't actually early. It was just, I was sleeping a little too late. But anyways, so I was like, okay, what time do you want me to meet you? He talking about get up now. I'm hungry. I said, where am I meeting you? He told me the place. I don't, like, he didn't tell me the exact location. Well, he told me where I was meeting him, but he didn't tell me where, like, what food place. But it don't really matter because now that I think about it, I didn't even know that food place. It's a new food place that I had never heard of, and I wouldn't have known anyways. So I get there because he told me to meet him at the thrift store down the street, and I get there and he's standing outside. And I'm like, okay, I thought you was gonna have the food already, you know? I didn't think we was going in someplace to eat. Cause literally, y'all, I left the house. He was like, just brush your teeth and come on. And I literally just brushed my teeth and came on. Like, I had my glasses on, my hair looked a mess, and I just looked crazy. And so, literally, like I said, I get there and I go inside and I'm like, it's like a little mom and pops looking place. And I'm thinking like, Daddy, why you got me out here looking crazy? But anyways, so we go inside and we get to the cash register. And this is where life goes to pieces. So basically, I go to the cash register. And literally, as I'm saying, Dad, I can't believe you have me out here looking up. Just guess who at the cash register. Just guess who about to take our order, y'all. Just take a guess. Y'all don't know my life. What am I talking about? Back in high school, I had a crush on this boy. Like a crush, like a real crush. Like I had a crush on him all of high school. And he did not like me, I don't think. But regardless, I had a crush on him, and literally that's who I see while I'm looking a mess. So mind you, I tell my dad, I was like, why you got me out here looking crazy? And the boy is like, it's okay. And I look up and it's him. I'm screaming. Not really, but I was screaming on the inside. Dying. And I'm not being dramatic, okay? Because y'all saw how I looked. I'm gonna insert it again. And even I text my mom and told her about everything, and she texted me back and was like, you ain't never looked this bad. Girl, why are you coming for me? I was just embarrassed and I couldn't do nothing about it. So yeah, that was the tragedy that I dealt with yesterday, where I died. And I was like, literally, ever since I dyed my hair, everything has been going wrong because, mind you, I actually cracked my phone. Isn't that great? Like, literally, red hair, tragedy. Is that how it works? Why do I look like, is it Crazy Bob or something like that on the Simpsons? Is it the Simpsons? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And Queen Beauty out.